In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Microsoft Copilot. If you've tried Copilot on Windows 11 and decided it's not for you, the good news is that removing it is quick and straightforward, and this walkthrough follows the official method documented by Microsoft. We'll use the built-in Settings app, which is the simplest and most reliable way to remove the Copilot application from your PC without touching anything else on your system. Start by opening Settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. That keyboard shortcut works from anywhere and takes you straight into the Settings home screen. Once you're there, look on the left-hand side and choose Apps. This section controls anything installed on your computer. Next, click Installed Apps. This opens a full list of applications currently on your device. Now, find Microsoft Copilot in that list. You can scroll down, but using the search box at the top is often quicker. Just type Copilot and it should appear. When you see Microsoft Copilot, look to the right of its name for the three vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Overflow menu. Click those three dots, then choose Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you want to remove the app. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Give it a moment to complete. The app should disappear from the list once the process finishes, which is your confirmation that it's been removed. If you were seeing Copilot in your Start menu or as an app icon, those entries should no longer launch anything because the program is gone. If you don't see Microsoft Copilot in the installed apps list at all, it likely means it isn't installed on your particular build, or your device may be managed by your organization, in which case the uninstall option can be unavailable. That's normal behavior. To recap, you opened Settings with Windows plus I, went to Apps, then Installed Apps, found Microsoft Copilot, clicked the three dots, chose Uninstall, and confirmed. That's all there is to it. This is the official, supported route for removing the Copilot app on Windows 11, and it doesn't affect other Microsoft services or your files. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set. Copilot has been cleanly removed using the built-in Settings method.